Students, in this video we'll discuss about two more activities, activity 5 and activity 6. What is activity 5? Producing a sound that resembles sound of rainfall. When rainfall sound we have to produce artificially. So how to produce this? To take two hands, this is the left and this is the right. So just place it your left hand like this and take the forefinger. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again 5, 6, 7. Like this. Continuously do like this. So 1 means forefinger. 2 means these two fingers. 3 means these three fingers. 4 means like this. So one time you have to increase the finger, increasing order. Then after 4 again you have to decrease and like this you have to do. Then if you do continuously, suppose if you do this activity in a class, if I said 1 means all the 30 or 40 students at a time, if you do like this 1, you will get a loud sound. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7, 8, like this continuously if you do, you will get like a rainfall sound. If all the students do at a time, will get this rainfall sound. So this is the activity 5. Now activity 6. Observing the changes in sound. This is activity, means we can produce different type of sound, increasing sound, decreasing sound in the same instrument. That we'll call it as jaltarang. For this you take different bowls, either 5 or 4, depending on that you can take. Here I took 6 bowls, not bowls, glasses I took. So you can take bowls also, and all these you fill the water in the decreasing order. In the first one you have to take up to the brim and less, like this gradually decrease the water level and fill the water in all these, either the glasses or the bowls. Now you take metal spoon and just you tap all this continuously like this. You have to tap it like 1, 2, 3, or otherwise like this you tap it, like this you tap it. So the sound produced by each glass is different. From this it produces very less sound, and here than this it produces little more sound and little louder. So when you compare the first and the last one produces very loud sound, high sound, than compared to the one. Here the things are same only, all the glasses and you filled with water, but the sound produced by all these are different. Why? Because the water filled in the glasses are different. When you compare the 1 and 6, from the 6 you can produce loud sound or more sound than compared to the 1. Why? Because here the length of the air column is more. Here the length of the air column is more. Due to that, the particles which are present in the air they vibrate. So due to that vibration it produces more sound. Here the length of the air column is very less. The length of the air column is very less. Due to that, for the vibration of the air particles, they don't have much place. Due to that, they produce less sound. So when you touch all these plates or glasses with the spoon continuously like this or like this, we'll get a different kind of sound, continuous sound, that we'll call it as jaltarang, because here through water they're producing the sound. So we are getting the sound through water, so that we'll call it as jaltarang.